In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Football Manager 2024 on PC or laptop. In order to download and install Football Manager 2024 on PC or laptop, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you go and open up a browser. On the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in Steam. So through Steam, you could go and access the game. Make sure that you have already installed Steam. If not, go ahead and tap on Install Steam, and it's gonna promote you to the installation page and all that. So just follow the instruction, and you'll have successfully installed the application on your device. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account, and then you could go ahead and log in. When you're logged in, go to Stores. As you click on stores, it's going to take you to this page. Here on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. Football Manager 2024. Type in that. And when you locate Football Manager 2024, go ahead and press on it. On this page, you have all of these information, trailer, and all that. You could go ahead and add it. You could go ahead and select that, and here, go ahead and click on Add to Cart. When you do that, go ahead and click on View My Cart. It's going to take you to the checkout page or the summary page. Go through all of these and accordingly select the product or the game that you wish to buy, and make sure to tap on Continue to Payment. Then go ahead and add your payment details and all that, and you'll have successfully bought Football Manager 2024 on your PC. Then you could go ahead and install it, and at the same time you can go ahead and create your account. So in this way, you could go ahead and download and play Football Manager 2024 on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.